Okay, so now that we've done that example, you're gonna do you're gonna work on your own. So the first question you're gonna look at is what will happen to the force of gravity when the mass of the spheres are the same, and you increase the distance. So when I did the example, the size of the spheres were the same, but you'll notice that the mass of the spheres were different. So in this case, you'd bring it down to 2, and then you'll change the distance again and see what happens. Record your observations down here. Once you're done with that and recording your observations and your conclusions of how the mass of the spheres affect the force of gravity, you're going to look at whether or not the size of the spheres affects the force of the gravity. So you can, for this one, you can keep the mass the same, but change the size of the spheres. So you might actually, maybe we'll make this a little bit bigger, one bigger than the other. So now not only are the mass different, but also the sizes are different. And you're going to record whether or not being different sizes affects the force of gravity. And you can compare this one to the example question, because on the example question, we use the spheres being the same size. And now you're going to look at if the spheres being different sizes matter. And again, record your observations and your conclusions. And then once you're done, the exit ticket is answering these 7 questions. So you're just going to highlight, I guess, either highlight or delete the whatever answer you don't agree with. So if you think this answer is true, then you'll just delete F. If you think it's false, then you'll delete T. Answer these 5 true or false questions. And then the next 2 questions is write and explain. So which pair has the greater gravitational force, A or B? So you're going to choose whether or not you picked A or B, and then you're going to explain in complete sentences why you picked your answer.